So if we're in one of those areas and we get a good photo op, we'll stop the truck for a few seconds. Just gotta make sure you keep the cameras ready to go at all times. You never know when or where these animals may appear. Look at this, here's a black rhino right across the water. We'll go a little further up, we'll stop ahead. Oh, there's two of them out here. And these rhinos each weigh about 3,000 pounds, and they can charge up to 35 miles per hour. It's pretty quick for animals that size. Oh, look at that beautiful view. It just turned around for us. All right, we're going to stop right here. Somebody making popcorn back there? Make sure you do stay completely seated, please. Thank you. 50 pounds of vegetation.
Right there, it's a tour that you can actually walk through and like hang out over the edge.
Yep, those on the left here. We're going to stop here for a moment. There's tons of hippos in the water to the left of the island. Dude, those are pink-backed pelicans. We don't see a whole lot of pink on their back at the moment. We usually just see it during the mating season.
Look at the one right there grooming himself.
Alright, let's go a little further up the river. I wonder what other animals we'll find out here.
And it tour goes over the bridge right here as well.
Alright, looks like we have to drive over a rickety old bridge here. Uh-oh. Down below us to the left, underneath, look, there's Nile crocodiles. Now, these crocs are really dangerous, too. No joke. Sit down, please. Yep, thank you. These crocodiles will snap their jaws shut with a pressure of up to 2,000 pounds per square inch. That's enough power to crush the bones of their prey with hardly any effort. They're huge. They may not look like it from this high up, but these crocs are about 20 feet long. And if you think about it, that's as long as a giraffe is tall. That was a congaree, so let's roll.
Joe got yelled at. He stood up.
Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
Alright, well, so far I've been to the forest, I've been to the river, now I'll head out to the savannah. It's a completely different ecosystem with a lot of different animals. Up here on the right is an ancient baobab tree. Their nickname is the upside down tree, and that's because the branches look a lot like roots. Now, these trees tend to live for 2,000 years. This one right here is actually halfway there. Well, we can see the savanna itself does have a pretty unique look. It's actually shaped by the animals that live here. For example, giraffes, they like the pruning shears. They're the reason there's no leaves for the first 20 feet up on most of these trees that we see. And the elephants are like the bulldozers. They knock down the big trees to get to the remaining leaves. Though all these tall grasses, they'd be a lot taller if it weren't for the large antelopes, like the lawnmowers. Also, little nibblers like gazelles and warthogs trim up everything else. So in a balanced ecosystem, everybody's got enough food. Oh, and there's some giraffes up ahead. Oh, look, there's babies out there too. See how they run pretty gracefully? Oh, the word giraffe, it's an Arabic word. It means one that's graceful. Yeah, sorry about this delay, folks, but gotta wait for those animals to move. Yeah, so as I go by the giraffes, again, I'm not going to be able to stop next to them for a photo, but we'll go nice and easy. Alright, let's go make our way up to elephant country. What do you say? Sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, Twende, let's go. We'll also swing around by Monkey Point. We'll see if we can find any mandrills. They are the world's most colorful monkeys. Oh, yeah, look on the rocks to the left on top there. They are. There's one playing around with some stuff. We'll go ahead and pause here real quick. Got a cool view of the mandrill up top.
Is that where Rafiki is?
Isn't he a baboon?
I mean, look at his
They all the
face.
bright and blue colors in their face. Yep. And what makes them the world's most colorful monkeys. Oh, look behind us to the right. Bull elephant right there. And you can tell it's a bull because it's all alone. When the boys reach maturity, they leave the herd. They actually prefer to hang out all day by themselves. And then, yeah, once the boys reach maturity, they're on their own. Sometimes they'll form loose bachelor herds. We're gonna go a little further in elephant country so we can catch up to a herd. We'll head on down by the red clay pit. Sometimes I like to go out there to eat the clay for minerals. Kind of think of it as taking a vitamin. Alright, well here's the red clay pits, and I can see a lot of tusk marks out here. Both the males and the females, they have ivory tusks. Sadly, they'll leave them in reserve, because they're still being targeted by poachers for them. So to protect the elephants, we've invited scientists here to study their vocal patterns. And by studying how they talk to each other, we're learning what it is that they need in order to survive. Well, up ahead is a flock of greater flamingos. They're actually the palest of the flamingo species. When they hatch, they're not even pink. They're gray. They eat a lot of brine shrimp, which is high in beta-carotene, and it's the beta-carotene that turns them pink. Usually it'll take about a year or two before they fully develop pink feathers. If you want a cool picture, I'll set you up. Go ahead and zoom out a little bit. You want to try to get the flamingos here in the foreground and the baobab trees are just passed up in the background. You'll get a good view of what I'm talking about. Right about... Wait for it. Now.
That is beautiful.
Oh, look at that. There's a cheetah up on the hill, straight ahead here, coming up on the left. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They can sprint up to 60 miles an hour. See it sticking up on the rock here. It's the back end of it. Let's see if we find some more cheetahs up ahead here. Oh, here it comes. Never mind. Turn around. There we go. Now, they are daytime hunters, so we should probably get a move on. The Copies are a big rock formation, and sometimes we'll see lions out there. Lions like to go up on the rocks to scan the savannah for prey. So if we're going to see one today, somewhere up ahead here will be our best bet. Oh, look up on the second tallest rock. There he is. Alright, camera's ready. We're going to stop around the turn here. Look at that.
Oh, the one.
There's the big guy up above there.
Wow, how did he get up there?
He weighs about 550 pounds. Now to put that in perspective, you see his paw just sticking off the edge of the rock? That paw is bigger than our faces. Yeah, he's huge. But it is more than hunting for a pride. Is it the males or the females?
Females!
Females, yeah, the ladies do. Luckily for us, they do most of their hunting at night. A lion's night vision is actually 6 times better than ours. Some zebras straight ahead. We're going to get a closer look at them as we go around the rocks up ahead here, okay? Just gotta watch out for those hind legs. Never get too close to them. When they're frightened, they kick back. I'll tell you what, zebras' kicks are so strong, they could actually break a lion's jaw with one kick.
The rhinos.
Dolphins kissing the back of
Deforestation. Oh no 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 no. That's why I wore this shirt. It'll dry quick. Good. Embrace it. We really should have taken our picture before this guy.
Before and after.
Yeah. Or just any pictures before.